complete service today. Just undo this. Well, I like these old engines. Undo the cap there, change the coolant. She's getting a new water in. Well, not water, obviously new antifreeze and coolant in there. And I gotta do, obviously, for these ones is undo the cap down there. Is that in there, look? It's on the radiator. Completely empty the radiator, and obviously put some more in, which should be going in shortly. What you do once you've undone that cap, just undo your anti-cottage cap slightly, let the air out, and it doesn't want to pull it. As you can see, nice and clean that water, so the radiator doesn't really need a flush. There you go. Get back in there, innit? Put the other stuff in. There you go. Obviously, once it's emptied, which is down there, like I said, the plug. You can see it. Make sure that you put it back in, because if you don't, then obviously it's just be a waste of time emptying it and putting new stuff in. Common sense really, but most people do forget to put it in. But yeah, here we go. Plug this back in, now it's emptied. And that's the new stuff I'm putting in. There you go. That's the pink one, which is obviously antifreeze. There you go. Let's put it in. There we go. Now then, make sure you screw your tops back on as well. Obviously, there we go. Obviously, as you can see, the battery's not in yet because I've still got a bit of welding to do on the tools and arches, which have come and will be getting done next week. Whoop whoop. Get in there, guys. Work well on before we're back. Okay, okay. Here we go. Catch you in soon. Take care now. Painting time. There's the hood. In there. Rolling it on. Yes, don't put much at the moment, but once it's had a second coat and everything, she'll get there. But yeah, going back. But once I've finished it, there'll be something special about it. We'll show you that when we're finished. Yeah, we're getting there. Like I said, tools have come as well, so obviously that will get put on next couple of days. Yep, whoop. Full coat's done. Also got to get around now yet. Well done. Also, once I've cooked it up, there's something spectacular about it, especially when she's in the sun. I'll let you all think about that one. There you go. Yeah, as you can see, she's looking good. That's good. It's a bit windy today, but there we go. Of course, it's back to going white. That's it. You can't see the full effect yet, but got something inside the paint, which will be shown later when it's pushed up.